Today we are going to discuss the concept is blocked ALV. Today we are going to discuss the concept is blocked ALV. What is the purpose of the blocked ALV? Actually, up to yesterday, okay, in yesterday's class we discussed how to display the particular field using the ALV report. How we displayed with the help of the field catalog, right? So same thing here. See, we just till yesterday we discussed the yesterday we discussed the field catalog ALV report. Okay, yesterday we discussed the field catalog ALV report. Can you please see, if you don't mind, can you send the message for what purpose we need to use the field catalog? Can you please send us for what purpose we need to use the field catalog properties? Can you send? No problem. Can send all the people, no problem. What is just yesterday we discussed, right? Yesterday we discussed what is the purpose of the field catalog ALV. What is the purpose of the field catalog ALV? For what purpose we used it? For what purpose we used it? Just to define multiple fields, okay. To display the data from table, okay. Yeah. Everybody is saying here, so few people only send the message. The data will display in grid and list format. No, Praveen. No, it's wrong, Praveen. Actually, my question is, what is the purpose of the field catalog? Why we need to use the field catalogs in ALV report? To fetch the data, to fetch the field catalog properties. Okay, it's little bit better answer. To define the multiple fields. Okay, it is also okay. Yeah, brother Mohit, to define the multiple fields, okay, but here, see, for what purpose we need to specify the field catalog ALV means to display the particular field. Okay, if you want to display the particular, fields. Okay, if you want to display the particular fields, then only. If you want to display the particular fields, then only we need to use the field catalog ALV. Then only we need to use the field catalog ALV. Okay. Yes, Prabhakar, correct, brother. Few fields to be captured and displayed instead of the whole table. Yes, perfect answer. Okay. See, to display, if you want to display the particular fields of the table as a report, then 100% we need to go for the field catalog. With the help of the field catalog properties only, those particular fields we people can display in the form of the ALV report. Okay, please, yesterday's concept is very, very important. Very, very important. See, if you start the working, okay, on project, 100% you will receive that requirement. No doubt at all. Without field catalog ALV report, there will be no ABAP project. I can say 100%. Okay, don't forget. Okay, see that. Okay, next, see here, we are going to discuss the blocked ALV today. Blocked ALV means what? What is the main purpose of the blocked ALV? Actually, it is used to display. Okay, blocked ALV is used to display the multiple reports. Okay, it is used to display the multiple reports on a single output screen. That means what? What is the main purpose of the blocked ALV? What is the main purpose of the blocked ALV? What's the main purpose of the blocked ALV means? Okay, what is the main purpose of the blocked ALV means? Blocked ALV is used to display the multiple records on the single output screen. See, till yesterday Till yesterday we discussed. Till yesterday we discussed. Till yesterday we discussed. Okay, how to display the single report only using the field catalog or something. But today, we are going to discuss how to display multiple. So here not multiple records, multiple reports. How to display multiple reports on a single output screen. If you want to display multiple reports on the single output screen, how you can do it? Yes, there is one option, that's a blocked ALV. There is one option, blocked ALV. See here, and to perform, if you want to develop a blocked ALV, if you wants to perform a blocked ALV, 100% we need to follow the 3 function modules which was provided by the SAP Labs. 3 function modules. The first one is reuse ALV block list init. Reuse ALV block list init. Reuse ALV block list init. Second one is reuse ALV block list append. Okay. Next, reuse ALV block list display. Okay. See, these are the 3 function modules we need to use. These are the 3 function modules we need to use to generate the multiple reports on a single output screen. Okay, if you want to display the multiple ALV reports, if you want to display the multiple ALV reports on a single output screen, 100% we need to use these 3 function modules. Without these 3 without these 3 function modules, you can't develop. Without these 3 function modules, you can't develop the blocked ALV. If you want to generate the blocked ALV, 100%. If you want to generate the blocked ALV, 100% we need to use these 3 function modules. 100% we need to use these 3 function modules. The first one is what? Reuse